All right, so here in Colorado, the weather's been really silly lately. It was mid-April, and we'd already turned the sprinklers back on. And then it decided it was going to snow 3 inches and be in the high 20s for 3 days. And because of that, where the sprinklers come out of the house, the pressure vacuum valve, or the sprinkler pressure valve, so it froze up on us, and I went out there with a heat gun and a torch and melted it because I didn't want those pipes to burst. So I was trying to catch them early and freezing through. So, all right, so we have the water turned off right here. It's turned on in the house out to here. When we unwinterized it, we turned this on. That's when we noticed the leaking from here. So I'll just turn the water back on through this valve, and then you'll see it coming from underneath this top hat. Maybe. All right, so that's our problem. Let's take the top off and get into it. All right, there's our problem. If you can see that, we got a big old crack. O-ring's actually in good shape. Making sure there were no pieces, broken pieces of that white piece that had gotten down in here and lodged it. So just try and flush it a little bit. Seems good. All right, so now we'll have to try and see sold locally and if we can get parts for it. All right, so after a couple of weeks, we finally got our parts. Let's see if they're the right ones. Looks like it. Yep, that looks like it's it. All right, let's go get a screwdriver and swap these out. Fixed. Put the new cap on. All right. Let's go turn these sprinklers on. Here we go. added this one in. It went to a bush that used to be right here, but that bush was too close to this tree, so we just got rid of it, and I just extended. Well, I put a new regulator in, and then added this hose over here. That's pretty good flow. Alright, well, that's a wrap on this project. That's got the sprinklers working now, so should have some nice green grass soon. Not have to worry about hooking up the movable sprinkler. It's looking good.